Hi, it's Cliff, and this is a Jormungandr quick checklist for an install on OSX 1014 Mojave. This is just an older Mac that I have. Basically, you want to download Rust, and then you want to download Jormungandr. Then you'll need to create a node config file. So basically, this is just a short video, just so you can see that this checklist, I'm going through each and every one. Going to look for the updates for Rust Up. Then I'm going to download Jormungandr from the IOHK GitHub. Then we're going to build it with the Rust tool called Cargo. It's a package manager. Then we're going to build the JCLI, the Jormungandr command line interface. And then we want to config our node. So this is an alpha version, so you're going to find a lot of the bleeding edge issues with this, but 90% of all the bugs are going to be found in this process. So it's a very interesting time. So here we're going to check the JCLI version, and that verifies that it's been done. Now we want to make a temporary folder for a database. It's SQLite on Macs. It should be already on there. You won't have any problems. Now for the configuration of your node, you need to create a YAML file, call it node.config, and you can copy and paste that. I have my own version on my GitHub. It works on my Mac. The other ones were a little bit more for Linux. So anyway, you need to get the IP address and enter that into your node config. Also check the ports to make sure they match. So now you can start Jormungandr, and this is what you're going to see. Alright, so if you have any questions, there's a Telegram group. The IOHK also has another Zendesk for technical issues that you can get help from. Alright.